Assalamu alaikum student of class metric. There is a chapter named Dignity of Work. In this lecture I will provide you the notes of Dignity of Work chapter. Students, take out your copies and start writing the work. Question number 1. Why did Akhtar not answer his mother? And the answer is Akhtar did not answer his mother because he was feeling cross. He came late from school. Second question. What did Mr. Inayat tell the children? Answer. Mr. Inayat was children's favorite uncle. Being an experienced man, having visited many places around the world, he had told them interesting and thought-provoking incident. Third question. What reason did Akhtar gave his uncle for being cross? And the answer is the reason Akhtar gave for being cross was the work he was made to do in social service week at school. Question number 4th. What did the teacher and headmaster do? Answer. The teacher swept the room and emptied the dustbin. Full stop. The headmaster cleaned the bathroom. Question number 5th. What did Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, love? Question mark. Answer. He loved doing work for himself and for others. With his own hands, he repaired his shoes, mended and washed his clothes, and swept his room. Question number 6. Were the companion of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, like him? And the answer is the companion of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, set an example of the dignity of work. Hazrat Abu Bakr, Hazrat Umar, Hazrat Ali, Hazrat Fatima all loved doing work not only for themselves but specially for the weak, feeble and helpless people with selfless love and affection. Question number 7. What did Hazrat Abu Bakr do? Question mark. Answer. He did his own work. He also fetched water for widows and neighbors who were very old and had no one to work for them. Question number 8. What did Hazrat Fatima do? Question mark. Answer. She did all her work for herself. She fetched water, ground corn and swept the house. Question number 9. How did Sultan Nasiruddin and Aurangzeb earn his living? Answer. Sultan Nasiruddin earned his living by making caps. Emperor Aurangzeb made his living by transcribing the Quran. They preferred to earn their living with their own hands. Question number 10. What does everyone do in China? Answer. In China, everyone has to spend some time each year working in the field or in the factory. Even the Prime Minister and his wife do this work. They believe that all ought to work, and no wonder they are making such a quick progress. Now students, start with the next page. Fill in the blanks. The teacher himself dashed the room, swept. Number 2. The headmaster dashed the bathroom, clean. Number 3. Hazrat Abu Bakr fetched water for dash widows. Number 4. Our dash loved doing work, Holy Prophet. Number 5. Hazrat Ali gave away his dash in charity wages. Sultan dash earned his living by making caps, Nasiruddin. Number 7. Dash fetched water, ground corn and swept the house, Hazrat Fatima. Number 8. Emperor Aurangzeb earned his living by dash the Quran, transcribing. Number 9. Dash once carried a large sack of flour for needy family, Hazrat Umar. Number 10. Akhtar was having the dash work at school. social service is the blank. So student, these are the 10 blanks. Okay, start with the next page. Reference to contest RTC. Write down this text also. When the mosque at Medina was being built, he carried mud and building material. Question number 1. Name the chapter. Answer is Dignity of Work. Question number 2. Where did the mosque build? Answer, it was built in Medina. Question number 3. Who built it? What did he do? Question mark. And the answer is our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, built it. He carried mud and building material for the mosque. So student of class metric, as I had explained this chapter, discussed this chapter with you and explain you as well in my previous lecture today. So student, what you have to do, you have to complete your work in your literature copies and kindly make assignment and submit it to me on Wednesday, as it is uncertain condition, but we are going to school and we are available there from 9 to 12 timing. So student, come to school with complete SOPs and bring your assignment of your language work as well, and make me sure that you all have given me the test of English which was taken on 22nd. So student, kindly bring your complete literature copies as well, and language 2 topics were also discussed, and inshallah in the upcoming lectures I will provide you the lectures of language. Only one poem is left in your completion of literature. Okay, so kindly complete your work, bring your complete copies to me. I will check your copies and give it to you back at the same time. I won't submit it, okay, but your assignment will be submitted and your assignment contain marks, okay student, and your test also, test marks will also be added in the report cards. So what you have to do, you have to be vigilant with your work and kindly come to school with complete SOPs. Don't forget to follow the instructions. Okay, kindly come on Wednesday, because Wednesday is the meeting day and the submission of the assignment and the completion of the work also. So students, stay blessed and stay healthy. Allah.